says I received 14 capsules for free. These are varieties of capsules that are available on the website. So Nespresso.com, you can check that out. So let's unbox this. This is the machine. This is actually gray. I don't want white because I think white is a bit difficult to take care of. So this is the tray. Yep, this is the tray. This is the free capsule that I mentioned about. There are 14 of them. If you purchase this, you have this for free. If you want to know which coffee is which, you can look at this tin foil. Here you have the user manual. I think I'm gonna read it first before I use the machine. You have to go to this website, the Nespresso.com, to purchase. I'm gonna try it after this. Got the name Essenza Mini. It's very slim. If you're someone like me, you want to save space in the kitchen, then I think this is a very good one for you. The capsule tray. You have to put it like this. So if you have a small cup, you need to use this. This is the water tank. So this one you can remove it. Yeah. Put it like that. The buttons on this machine, two buttons here. One is for the espresso and one is for the lungo button. There's no on and off here. To on, you just plug this in and then you press either one of these buttons. This is where you put the capsule in. You just pull this and then take any capsule, just drop it, you close the lid. Make sure you close it properly and choose between espresso or lungo. It's that simple.